It's Mona, it's Charles in the buying shit at Wegmans with a special dog.
Alright. Start?
Alright, yeah, we're good. You want to introduce Kosmo?
Yeah, we have a special.
Really?
we have a special guest today.
It's,
Hey,
buddy. Hey, buddy.
He knows what he's about to do. He's here to sample some Wegmans dog treats that we got today. So we got two different kinds. Go ahead.
So I have they're Wegmans Nature. I know you're so excited. Natural dog treats, and these are soft and chewy salmon recipe bites. He's obviously clearly excited about them. So these are salmon. They stink. Just first of all.
And this is soft and chewy duck.
Oh, duck. All
yeah,
right.
Duck. Supposedly no meat or poultry products. I don't know how they do that. It's duck.
Wait, it's duck.
No corn, no wheat, no soy, no artificial preservatives, whatever. So
yeah,
we're gonna let him sample each
right.
one. You want to give him?
Do you want to smell that first, though? It's really gross.
Kind of got a salmon smell to it.
Oh, it's salmon.
Yeah.
All right. So sure. All right. So Kosmo, come. Hey, bud. All right. What do you think? Is it good?
So I'll take it. All right.
What do you think? Huh?
So
yeah.
He has no problem eating that one, and then this the duck one. Oh, you're slobbering.
All right. So what do you think?
You gonna try one?
No, I'm not gonna try one. You gonna try one?
Oh, I thought about it.
I did think about it too, but
I was gonna say we're not doing this today. But
yeah, no, I can't try them.
This one doesn't smell as bad as the salmon. The salmon actually reeks bad.
That's good, but I think that they're both sort of winners, because he's obviously let's put the bags up. Let's see.
Get a small piece.
Okay.
Out.
All right, Kosmo.
Which put them side by side.
All right, just a minute. Don't start them. All right, come here.
Which one do you want?
Oh, well, you're closer. All right, there you go. All right. So, Kosmo, are they winners?
So 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Nod your head, yes.
Is there more?
Good job. All right.
All right, no more.
No more.
That's it.
Recommended for puppies.
Yep.
All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next week.
Yep, bye. Got it.
Thank you and good night from Mona and Charles, and also Kosmo.